how to change your Microsoft 365 password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Microsoft 365 account password. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft 365 account and then you can see manage security and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you need to go to my account portal to change your password. Once you open it up, you'll be able to see the change password option. Just tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Make sure that it is strong enough and then confirm your new password and hit submit. And your password will be changed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.